Open your web browser and type the URL, tinyurl.com. Enter your long URL in Enter Long Link Here field and short URL in Alias field. Please make sure that alias must be at least 5 characters long. Once you finish typing the short URL in Alias field, click Shorten URL button to generate the short URL. It will generate the short link, which you can copy. Click Copy button to copy the same generated short URL can be shared with anyone. If you want to generate a QR code, you can also generate the QR code for the short URL, which can be shared with anyone. Click the QR button to generate the QR code. Once generated, it will download your QR code. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more useful contents. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.